Alright, so I have done this video twice, and each time my cameras have messed up. So I'm just going to do a voiceover for the first time and show you how to update the firmware on the Tascam X8. I just got it in the mail today. I haven't even used it. The first thing I'm doing is I want to update the firmware. So what you want to do is you want to go to Google, type in Tascam X8 firmware. Oh, spelled that wrong, but that's all right. We're going to come into here. First link here. Oh, if I click it. And what we're going to want to do is hit software or firmware and software. And as you can see, this is version 1.2 on 6.01. We don't want that one. We want the brand new one, which is 1.3, which is the newest version. You can see this is like 2 months newer. So what you want to do is you want to download this guy. Bring this guy up over here. So we go to downloads and we're going to go to here. And this is the file that we're looking for. Now, what you want to do is you want to take your Tascam X8, plug it into a USB. Ideally, according to the instruction manual, you want to plug it directly into the computer and not use a hub. I did run into a bunch of issues. When I plugged it in, it was just showing me, drive F. It wasn't showing me X8. So I had to try different cables. But for me, the only way I could get it to work is if I reboot my computer, plug it in, it would work. But then if I disconnect it and plug it in again, it wouldn't work. I have to reboot my computer. This is probably not a process I'm going to do often, so I think it's going to be all right. Might be an issue later when I go to transfer audio files off the device. But like I said, I haven't used it before, so we'll see what happens here. But essentially, what would happen is you'll see X8 over here on the left. You just want to take this file and drop it into the utility folder. There's only 3 folders. I forget what the other 2 folders are, but if you drop it in the utility folder, you're going to be good. All right, so now I come over to the actual device itself, and once you plop the file on there, you want to make sure you want to hold down the home and the record button at the same time and turn it on. You got to keep holding it while it boots up, because then it goes into the firmware setup. So now, as you can see, we're in the menu here. It says version 1.03 build 146. That's what I'm currently on. And if you look, it says please push mark key, which is the bottom right. So we want to hit that guy. And now you can see at the top, it shows my current version, version 1.03 build 146. And it's going to go to version 1.3 build 177. Just going to push the mark key to do the update. And now it's going to do its thing. That light's pretty bad. I think I fixed it here. Yeah. So, yeah, essentially it's just going to go through its update. And this takes roughly about a little less than 5 minutes to actually do its thing. I did find some of the update notes. Let me see if I can load those now. Alright, so these update notes are going to be, where was it? Release notes. So, 8.3 or 8.31.22 goes with the same firmware version, so we want to come over here. Now, I was on, what version? I was, 103. So, I was way back down here. So, everything from here up is going to be all new to me. I was going through some of this stuff, and to be honest, a lot of this stuff is probably stuff I'm not going to use. I did see somewhere about doing where was it? It was doing some save settings, presets, something about 3 presets, which was pretty nice. It looks like there was something up here with 32-bit right here. Audio interface function now supports 32-bit float format. Function which enables preservation of audio resolution even after adjusting levels. Now can be used when recording to a DAW using this unit as an audio interface. Not really sure what that is, to be honest. I am not an audio guy, but I just use this for weddings. I'm going to be using this for weddings. Very basic stuff. Essentially, yeah, that's it. But anyways, as you can see now, after it reboots, I'm in version 1.3, build 177. I'm at the newest update. Pretty straightforward. Pretty much download the file from the web, extract it, take that firmware file, put it on the X8, hold down home and record, and turn the recorder on and follow the steps. So pretty straightforward. If you have any questions for me, let me know. Throw them down in the comments, and I appreciate your time. Take care. Bye.